You can also add a new post from the upper menu or on the left-hand sidebar. Select Add New to create a post. Add the title you want. Then click on the Use Divi Builder button and then select Build from Scratch by clicking on Start Building. A pop-up window will appear so that you can select the desired column structure. The most common is the one-column structure. Then another pop-up will appear so we can select the type of module we want. We will select the text module. Once there, we can remove the default content and paste the content from our word processor. And click the checkmark button to save the changes. You will also see Cancel, Undo, and Redo buttons. Once done with the content, you can either save the draft or publish the article by clicking on the bottom menu to expand it, then clicking on the corresponding option. Then you can go to the upper menu bar and hover over it to see Edit Post. Then click on it to access the standard WordPress edit view, where you can see additional options. Then go to Featured Image to give your post an image. You can either select one already uploaded to the media library, or click on Upload Files to upload a new image. Once uploaded, click on Set Featured Image and click on the upper blue button to either update or publish the post. You can then click on the upper left-hand corner with a logo to view the Posts section. Once you see the posts, you can hover over the title and select View. Your new post will be listed as the most recent on the blog page or any other page where there is a post module.